Welcome to In the Kitchen with Jalae.
I'm Laney.
And I'm Jessica.
And today we're making crepes. Okay, so the first ingredient is 1 cup of all-purpose flour. We're going to dump this in. Set it over there.
Okay, the next ingredient is 2 eggs.
Just going to put those in there. And then the next ingredient is 1/2 cup of milk.
The fourth ingredient is 1/2 cup of water.
And next is 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
And the last ingredient is 2 tablespoons of melted butter or margarine.
We're going to mix this all up
until the batter is smooth, and it's usually about 30 seconds or until the batter is smooth and there are no clumps in the batter. And so we'll be right back.